Alright, this is going to be part 3 of the Algebra 1 practice test. Question number 7. A 240-foot rope is cut into 3 pieces. The first piece is twice as long as the second piece. The third piece is 3 times as long as the second piece of rope. What is the length of the longest piece of rope? Okay, one technique I would suggest using in this case is to actually draw a picture. Okay, that whole rope is 240 feet and it's cut into 3 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and cut into 3 pieces. Now, the picture is not going to be exactly drawn to scale, so I don't have to worry about should it look 2 times longer here or 3 times longer there. It's just, in my head, I can see that there are 3 pieces. Now, it says the first piece is twice as long as the second piece. I don't know how long the second piece is. I'm going to use this middle one as the second piece. I don't know how long that is at all, so I have to use a variable. Let's say x. The first piece is twice as long. So 2 times x is how long the first piece is. Okay, x is the second piece. The first piece is 2 times as long, 2x. The third piece is 3 times as long as the second piece. So this third piece over here is 3 times as long as this middle piece, the second one. It is 3 times x. Now the final question is, what is the length of the longest piece of rope? Okay, you can mark your questions. What exactly am I looking for? Length, and which one? The longest. Length of the longest. So what is this third piece? How long is it? Now what I have to do is write an equation and solve for my variable. Okay, so all these 3 pieces combined should equal the length of the whole rope, which I know from the question is 240 feet. So 2x plus 3x is 240. Best thing to do now is to combine all the terms. Since these are all x's, I can add them up. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6. 6x equals 240. Next step, I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6, and I get x equals 24, can go into 6 4 times, but it's 240, so I have to add a 0. 240 divided by 6 is 40. Now, I'm not finished yet because the 40 is actually how long the middle piece is, but the longest piece is 3 times x. So I need to do 3 times 40 to get the length of the longest, which is 120 feet. Next question, number 8. What is the solution to the inequality x plus 5 is greater than 14? Inequalities, solving them, that is just like solving equations. It's just like as if there's an equal sign here. Do the exact same things. Try to get the variable by itself by doing inverse operations. The opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. Make sure to balance on both sides. So if I did minus 5 on the left, I have to do minus 5 on the right. X on the left, that's all that's left. And on the right, 14 minus 5 is 9. Now I bring down the symbol that was in the original inequality. It's greater than. So final answer, x is greater than 9, which is 8. And to check, I can just pick a number that is greater than 9. For example, 10. Okay, example that I'm going to use is 10. 10 is greater than 9. I put it back into the original inequality and see if it is the correct statement. So I put 10 for x, and I get 10 plus 5, which is 15. 15 is indeed greater than 14. That is my check that this answer is correct.